Hi everyone. I have brought you good news for who are looking for as a front-end developer, absolutely for fresher job roles and up to 2 years of experience candidates. So if you have done UI developer or front-end developer course, then you are eligible to apply for the job roles, guys. Okay, and you will get package up to 8 to 10 lakhs package also because these are the some top MNC companies. So without wasting time, let me quickly open my browser. So I have sourced these job openings through LinkedIn, guys. Okay, so the first company name is Tata IMG company. So this company is looking for software development engineer one, front end engineer. The job designation is front end engineer. Work location is Bangalore or Gurgaon. Okay, so you can see here experience range 0 to 2 years. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner or minimum 1 year or 2 years of experience candidate also, you can apply for the job, guys. Okay, job role is front end. Okay, now let me show you what are the main skills required and what the company exactly looking for. Okay, so should have strong understanding of web technologies like JavaScript, HTML5 and CSS3, and good understanding of data structures and algorithms. So must have hands-on experience on React.js or AngularJS. Good have good to have familiarity with modern front-end build tools and workflows. For example, Webpack or Babel. Okay, and Git knowledge is must. So if you have strong knowledge on these technologies, then you can apply for the job, guys, by clicking this apply for the job button. Okay, and next job is next job is like company name is Hive Pro. Company name is Hive Pro. Work location is Pune. Okay, so 2 days back only posted. Okay, so they are looking for front end software developer. So you can apply the job through easy apply button, guys. So minimum experience is required, like 1 to 2 years of experience, and education is BE BTech. Okay, and location is remote. That means you can do work from home, guys. Okay, and what are the skills are required for the job? Strong knowledge of JavaScript, experience with ES6 plus, work experience with React is must. Okay, strong knowledge of TypeScript. Okay, so if you are a React based developer or front end developer, then you can apply for the job, guys. And you just go through the LinkedIn job section and type this company name Hive Pro. Okay, and then you can apply through easy apply button only. Okay, and next job is software developer position, guys. Zoho company is hiring. Zoho is one of the cloud-based company. So this company is hiring software developer. Skill set is any one programming language, C or C++ or Java. Experience is 0 to 3 years of experience, guys. Okay. So what graduation eligible to apply for the job? You just click on the year of graduation from 2015 to 2023 eligible to apply for the job, guys. Not 2024 passed out candidates, up to 23. From 2015 to 23 you can apply for the job if you are a fresher. So you can apply for the job as a fresher role as well. So if you have any relevant experience, so those people also you can apply. Okay, so you just fill this and finally you have to submit your resume. Okay, so if your skill set are matched, then you can apply for the job, guys. Okay, and the next company is Highright. Highright company hiring front end developer, guys. Work location is Bangalore. Okay, and they are looking for minimum 3+ years of work experience in web development. Okay, skill set are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Okay, if you are a React.js developer, then you can apply for the job, guys. Okay, minimum 3+ years of experience. So of course, if so even though if you are 2+ or 2.5 years experience candidates also, you can apply for the job as a front end developer. Okay, so I hope you feel very exciting after watching this job notification. So without wasting your time, so immediately you can apply for the jobs, guys. So if you really feel this content is useful, then don't forget, hit the like button, and don't forget to share to your dear friends as well. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.